Bosco Lawino known as Snoop Doggy. At tuju niya piani duan mati social media mir wat ka weng and penya ni ina nga mulo. So kay tuju ni it is very important ni ini law. Omaro luba ana winyo lo ke la memma na chero wadan ante kanene by voice recording yamani tap mira winyo tumo. Now no me mete kom lokeni eneti kaman mauno katwere ana mire ni voice note ni in owe inbox pa general Otema kita bilogo kere ni aneno kita chuli kumeri dong gina lemon wine political trends pa chuli tika doko gia tata male ini anda aneno down tika mieto temeni mier kid regrouping ma regrouping ini pete lokene petian lok mapat it is creating the factions kadega ye madiet. Now imagine ni our political leaders may actually can committee on actually they don't kitika following the rules of their political parties. The respective political parties rule per party man wajaningo. Party nima in you identify with. Ni initi la FDC, initi la NRM, initi la NUP, initi la party mo kan. Party ni objectives me iye wajaningo. Ineno. So kumeri chani actually down tika ngwech up and down. Itika nene. Mali any ana when it is creating a lot of hatred in the end of the day. Manong atamo can pibinen chalo a politician mati serious. It is with a big shame. Party kawachini Gilbaro Olanya Obiano ka joining team pa General Raj. But atamani we should have that integrity within our political parties. Itika neno? This is a member of parliament trying to go on a consultative meetings, trying to declare the candidate that has not yet even declared that I'm going to stand, that you vote for him. Under which ground? This one is an active soldiers. We have not yet seen in the media or in the papers, the TV, in everywhere that he has been retired. And food payeni. Iwat ni be mero chung. Pian koni, it will track a lot of questions. Now, so peman la faction man madantika creating a general me are very careful. Because the karma meeting more very will we polo all the good people including the angels. So Satanbo o better table kon say opinion yananga. When ana Lucifer ag pengdo. Ubino ka challenging luba we table para rubana. Chiki chwalo Lucifer udugu peng umerichana wa teka ono. Any exactly gen mo luba teka watching. People should learn to stick to their line of political parties. Doesn't matter anyway, but coming out openly, komeno, gitika when the relevancy of that word pa general lo. Pian mante lokeni in the record mukaro. Mapenduzi chero territory pala ware nyo constituency pala ware o chero logo kenying la ware marach. Now la ware don wani inung opponent tie mati komerchani on ground umir ana nyuta teni anda bilweni kumi directly. Now imagine the constituency pa mapenduzi te ba dege la ibi po Olanya te we ya more. Now you ask yourself why the fight for? And both of these people, no one among themselves, mangar mo bachere constituency pala ware niana mo kan mechungu kerga bete gen wen gen Acholi pa boteme. So why the fight? Manong one watika penyene lwenye enete lokenengo gitika losing relevance in me politics of kumbeti. You know? Attorney General Miroti neutral ground with neutral people. Mano, there is no intrigue of fight. In any way. Chika obere kamero of losing sense of politics. I think I this is just now, it is a war now, political war. It is not playing the active ideology in the politics. Eh? We are now trying to create faction and hatred. Mali enini pebe. In any way. You can misunderstand your fellow around disagreeing. And to beneka emir supporting harmony. Do it but indirectly, in a very tactical way. Man, no one can quote you. Man, wala baba mo kanung yang loko Olanya Gilbert oni, and it's just a mere fight. It's not love for general. Tie America temo je wanga wani lwen pera. Itika nene. Gilbert Olanya tika using what we call the advantage. Milwenye kumla wore. And ka waya kama petelo kana tatu twaka mapenduzi. But we want things, these are all our brothers here. Wabero ketgi warwata ketgi, but we need things that, or at least Gimara be unana welo tuwa. This politics of retaliation, politics of revenge, politics of disowning, politics of political characters assassination. We should not practice it. This is wrong. Now, I don't agree with it, Machalo Ann. But I'm tama for now. Ramu get kakenyo. Ana for you bed my bed. Good Monday.